Hello friends, welcome on my channel RPA Let's Explore. So in today's session we are gonna learning what is RPA and how it's useful in today's market situation. So let's start today's session. RPA, Robotics Process Automation. Robotic process automation is a type of automation where a machine or a computer mimics a human actions in completing a rule-based task. It used to automate the business process. RPA robots utilize the user interface to capture the data and they manipulate applications just like a human do. They are able to interpret triggers, responses, and communicate with the other system in order to perform our task. So let's see how the RPA will work. I mean, how the RPA is work. RPA is able to log in any applications, then it will then also copy and paste the data, move files and folders, then read and write to the database. RPA robots also extract and process structured data, then semi-structured data, and various content from the documents, PDF files, then emails and form. It also able to scrap the data from web applications, make calculations, and these many more things RPA robot is able to do. RP robot will read the email and open the Excel file, download attachment if any, then write those information into the particular system, and if there will be an escalation, then it will be analyzed by their process owner or process matter expert, and if there is no any escalation, then the task will end. In this way the RPA robot is work. Then what are the benefits of this RPA? The main first advantage is accuracy. RPA provide 100% accurate as compared to the humans. They are they never get tired and never make mistakes. They are compliant and consistent. The second advantage is improved compliance. Once instructed, RP robots execute reliability, reducing risk. Everything they do is monitored. You have the full control to operate in coordinates with the existing regulation and standard. Then fast cost saving. RPA can reduce the processing cost by up to 80%. Then obviously productivity. It increases the cycle time as compared to the humans approaches. Then it provides us consistency, then reliability, low technical barrier. The main advantages of the low technical barrier, because if person having no any background, I mean no any IT background or no any programming skills, they are also capable to learn this RPA process and able to build robots. So in this way the RPA is beneficial for us. Now let's see what are the implementation scope or which are area where the RPAs get implemented. These are few areas like operational activities in the sales. Sales market is a very huge market nowadays. So many processes is automated through the RPA. And then HR operations, healthcare, data extractions, data management, finance, then auto generation of reports, customer service operations, and many more areas where the RPA is implemented. Then RPA career scope. These are the few areas where RPA provides us a career opportunity in this below things. First, developer. We can go with the RPA developer role, then project manager, then solution architect, business analyst, associate, and the process consultant. These are the few RPA tools which are available in the market. Most of them are used by the current industry like UiPath. Pega, Automation Anywhere, then Blue Prism, Linux. So all tools having their own advantage and own limitation. So in the next video, we'll see how the robot will build through the UI path. Thank you. If guys you have any questions regarding the RP introductions, then you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.